Hi everyone, it's Deanna with Greenish. How are you today? I hope all is well in your world. Okay, so today is a very exciting day with Beautycounter because we are launching a new product line. And it's for those special men in our lives. It's called Counterman, yay! If you are familiar with our holiday collection from this past season, 2018, then you would have seen the preview for the Counterman line. And I'm telling you, it did very, very well. And I'm really excited about this line because I've had it for a couple of weeks now, so both my husband and I have had a chance to play around with it, and I will tell you that I am very, very impressed with every single product that they came out with. So there's 8 products total. So the thing is that men can use other products like that are made for women or that don't say specifically made for men kind of a thing, but what's cool about this line is that it was created just for men because men have different skin than women. Men have thicker skin, tougher skin. They have skin that tends to be oilier as well as larger pores and larger hair follicles. So that's why they have a little bit of unique circumstances, and we are going to help with that. And I'm telling you, I love a few products in here just for myself. So I'm just going to get right into it. First of all, the Counterman collection has one ingredient that is in each and every one, and that is the Sequoia stem cell complex. And what that is, it's an antioxidant, and that helps protect the skin from environmental stressors. So that's the common ingredient through all of them. And what I like about this line is that it smells really clean, but not super manly. So that's why I'm able to use it without going, oh, I smell like a man. Okay, and as you know, we don't use any synthetic fragrance, only natural essential oils if there is fragrance in it. There's one product that is fragrance free. So I'm just gonna talk about each product so you'll know the line, and we'll go from there. Okay, so this is the Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. I know it's pretty nice packaging. I know you're enjoying that, right? Again, if you saw the preview, then you probably had a little sneak peek, but the packaging's really nice. The guy, the men, you men, or whoever I'm talking to specifically, are not going to have a problem grabbing this and, feeling manly about it, or not feeling like, oh, is this a girly product or whatever. So again, what I like is the really clean, there's a little bit of an earthy scent, and that's due to the bergamot that's in some of this, in these products in the vetiver. So a little bit of the woodsy and the citrusy, so it's very nice. And then this is, I have to smell everything. So this is the Daily Exfoliating Cleanser, and it has jojoba beads in it. So it's very, very gentle. They're not really harsh at all because you're gonna be able to use this daily. So what I like about this is that I've been using it once a week. I don't feel like it's drying at all, but it gently exfoliates too. So I feel like my skin gets really, really squeaky clean. So it lathers a bit, and it really gets the skin really super clean. And again, I really like the smell of it. I have to look at my notes here. So this is $25 for US and $30 for Canada. Okay, I'm gonna get on to the next. So this is the clarifying toner pads, and what this is going to help with is blackheads, because since men tend to have larger pores, they're more prone to blackheads. So this is going to help with that. It's going to help with skin texture. It's going to help really remove the dirt and grease, and it's going to help remove the day away. How's that? So if you have, or your man has a beard, you really want to make sure he gets in there, or you get in there, and it really, really works there, as well as your skin too. So just wherever you have larger pores where you can see them, and usually it's right through here, maybe on the chin and on the forehead. So you want to really get in there. So these are great for the gym bag as well. So make sure that you throw that. It helps like just kind of refresh the skin. It definitely has that. This definitely is a product that smells more manly, I will just tell you, and that's probably due to the vetiver in there. So there's that product, and that is $36 for that, and that comes with 40 of them, and then 47 Canadian. And also that has green tea in there, so it's soothing. It's not just going to be strictly an astringent, but it will help remove the dirt, oil, all that stuff. Okay, so the next product is the Smoothing Shave Cream. Okay, this is one other product that I like to use. I have been really, really enjoying it. So what I'll tell you about it, first of all, you want to shake it before you use it. And like I said, this is going to end up being in your shower too, women. So women, like I'm talking to you. Okay, so as you can see, it's kind of soapy. And then I'm just going to put water in it, and just so you can kind of see how that works. So it does almost kind of lather, but I will tell you that it gave me a really smooth shave. My husband said it gave him a smooth shave, but it's not drying at all. It's it's still very conditioning, if that makes sense. So that is the shave cream, and this doesn't have a fragrance in it, I don't think. Yeah, it doesn't smell like it has any fragrance. Okay, so that is 20 US and 26 Canadian. Okay, I'm like, I didn't pay attention to that one. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to talk about is the Conditioning Beard Oil. So this is $30 US and 39 Canadian, and it has bergamot in there and vetiver. And what it comes with a little lock too, which is cool. So it's great for traveling because it is 1 ounce. So again, you men out there with beards, you're going to make sure, like, after you go ahead and use those toning pads, you want to make sure when you put the beard oil that you really want to get it into the skin and kind of really move it into, make sure it hits the hair follicles as you're putting it through. And then you want to make sure you're brushing your beard through, or combing, excuse me, not brushing, but combing. Maybe use brushes too. I'm not really familiar with beards, but I do know that you want to make sure that you put it into the beard, kind of do this so it gets into the hair follicles, and then comb it through. And you know what? If you have any extra, put it into your cuticles, put it into your hands. Don't waste it. You can put it on your neck. And if you find that you're extra dry, feel free to put it on your face too, like the rest of your face. Because it really does help. It's just kind of like for us women, the face oils that we use, it's kind of like that as well. So, and again, it has that vetiver and the bergamot in there. So it definitely smells like a little manly man, okay? So on to the next product. This is going to be the oil-free face lotion. So my husband loves, loves, loves this product. It actually has cornstarch in there, so it will help with oil absorption, but I don't feel it like it goes, like it sucks it right up. So that's why it doesn't really say like matte, but it's oil-free, and it's a very light lotion. So you're gonna wash your face, you're gonna use your toning pads, and for you men that don't have a beard, you're just gonna use this as your moisturizer, okay? So this is priced at 32 US and 42 Canadian. And this is fragrance-free and oil-free. Okay, the next product is Cooling Aftershave Tonic, yay! So this is something you're gonna use, and this is more for you men, because I think this is what you use after you shave. So after you shave, you use your tonic. Now, for the days that you don't shave, that's where you would use your toning pads, because if you think about, like, when you're shaving, you're going to be exfoliating already, so you're not going to necessarily need the tonic. You're going to use the toning pads on the days or the mornings or the nights that you don't shave. So after you wash your face, after you shave, then you go ahead, you add this on there. It's going to help soothe the skin and refresh it as well. So, and this is priced at 22 US, 29 Canadian. So yay! Okay, now we're getting down to the last two products, and one is our energizing body wash, and it's the charcoal body wash, and then we have the charcoal bar. Okay, so it just kind of depends on what you like to shower with. I will tell you, I'm in love with the charcoal body wash. It's not real sudsy, but you feel clean. It's not drying to the skin, but it really will help detoxify and clear out and bring up all those impurities and get them out of your skin. So this is a lovely shower gel. So it just really depends on like how you like to shower. If you like a bar soap, I will tell you, it really smells good. And this has citrus, mint, rosemary, as well as sandalwood, I think it is. Cedarwood, sorry, cedarwood. So I think that's what I smell a lot of, but it still smells fresh. So I've been using both, enjoy them both. So the charcoal body bar is 19 US and 25 Canadian, and then the body wash is 25 and 33 Canadian. So there are 4 ways you can buy our products for Counterman. We have them in bundles. We have them, you can buy the entire collection, which is all 8 of the products, and that is $188 for all 8 products. You can get the shave regimen, which comes with the cleanser, the toner pads, the shave cream, and the lotion, and that's for $102. Or you can get the beard regimen, and that comes with the cleanser, the toner pads, the beard oil, as well as the oil-free lotion, and that's $111. Or then, of course, you can buy them individually. So anyway, really exciting to introduce you guys to Counterman. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me. I'd love to help you, because guess what? Men deserve safer, cleaner products as well, right? Not just us women and kids and whatever. Okay, I'm just totally messing with you now. Okay. And if you like what you watch, please share this video. Please comment or leave me a message or message me. I'd love to help you out with any questions. You can definitely shop all of the Counterman products via my link in the description. And again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Anyways, until next video, talk soon. Bye, y'all.